doors has opened for me. I got opportunity to meet Rajkumar Rao sir. Despite not having even 200 vocabularies, how did I learn? So friend, today in this very video, I'm going to share with you something which can inspire you, which can motivate you, to help you to some extent to master this language. It will be a kind of a help for you to start your English language learning journey. If you're still afraid of learning this language, then try to stick to this video till the very end, because at the end of this video your fear will totally disappear. So friends, let's talk about my English language learning journey. How did I learn English language despite not having a proper environment, despite not having all the facilities, despite not having proper grammar knowledge, despite not having even 200 vocabularies? How did I learn? So friends, let me tell you. First thing that I always have in myself, that is my belief, my own belief only into myself, only into my actions, which I put each and every day, which I do each and every day to master this language. There's no doubt I'm a homemaker. Okay, I have to take care of my family. I have to give my time to my family members as well. I have to be the part of some family functions which are held in my family. I have to give my time to each and everything. Then how can I focus? How can I try to concentrate fully on this language? So friends, let me tell you, first thing that you have to do, you have to find your why. If you have your particular reason to learn this language, then this journey is going to be so easy. We don't need to take it so seriously because it's just a language. As we have learned our own mother tongue, as we have learned Hindi, second language, and we also learn whenever we go to other state, especially in India, whenever we move to any other state, then we learn that region's particular language. So it's also just a language. So try to treat this language as a language, not as a subject. Because I still remember when I was in my school, the way I was taught, it was totally conventional method. And the people, especially the teachers, they told me that this is a subject and you have to get good marks in this subject. And I used to do the same thing. I used to just cram all the things. But the moment I started learning this language, I am aware of everything. That there's no need to cram everything. There's no need to be anxious about mastering this language. Everything is possible. Everything is easy. It's it's not it's not a rocket science. Okay. Yeah, there's no doubt learning English language journey. Okay, there's no doubt my journey was like a roller coaster. It was full of ups and downs. Having said that, I managed, and now I can express my thought explicitly in front of others. So, first of all, let me tell you the first thing that I always do. I never try to bite off more than I can chew, because at the end of the day, it always makes me feel tired, exhausted, and feel irritated. So, I don't try to do this thing. Instead, yeah, there's no doubt I wear too many hats. I'm a YouTuber, part-time YouTuber. I'm a full-time homemaker, and I'm a teacher as well. I also help beginners to master this language, to speak this language. And how do I manage? Because I prioritize my time. I have a proper schedule which I follow each and every day. I set a goal for me that I have to do. I have to listen at least half an hour. I have to do speaking practice at least half an hour. I have to read any book, any story, any motivational story at least half an hour. And then I have to write. I can write anything. I write whatever I feel like at the end of the day before going to bed. And throughout the day, I always try to focus that I have to think only in English. Yeah, there's no doubt. Whenever I talk to my family members, it becomes difficult for me to maintain, okay, to manage. Still, what I do whenever I speak a single sentence with my ally of family members, then at the same moment, I try to speak that particular sentence in English. And in this way, I always manage. I always know how to have a balance in my this between my journey of learning English language or my family. So, friends, what I used to do, I used to listen a lot in my initial days. Okay, first I found, first I found my why. Then I was too dedicated, I was too determined to learn this language. I started working in my initial days. I focused only on doing listening practice. I used to do listening practice around 5 4 to 5 hours each and every single day, and this thing has helped me so far because I all tried to learn this language using a genuine way, an authentic way, as a child, as a newborn baby learns. I learned in the same way. And later on, I focused on speaking. Then I started speaking. Then I started having conversation with strangers just to boost my confidence. Because earlier I was kind of an introvert person, but now just because of having that optimistic demeanor, now I am and totally not totally extrovert, but ambivert person. Because I know where I have to speak, where no, I have not to speak. I can speak, I can express my thoughts happily in front of my strangers, means people who are working on their communication skill. Whenever I have conversation with any of my co-learner, I can express my thoughts explicitly. I always try to express my thoughts, okay. But when it comes to talking to my own family members, then I don't to talk too much. I don't talk too much because I know where I have to invest my energy, where I have to invest my thoughts. Because people who know the value of this language, the value of knowledge, only where you have to share. Otherwise, no, it's kind of a wasting of your time as well as others. So I first of all, I try to figure it out according to the environment. Should I speak here or not? And then I speak. Okay. And all these things I inculcated, and now I'm trying to incorporate the habit of reading and writing as well, because to some extent it has helped me. Moreover, as I mentioned already, that we have to try to think only in English, and along doing all these practices, there's one thing which will always help you, that is your belief system, your faith in yourself. Okay, so many people, especially when it comes to villagers, uh, a villager can't speak this language, then it's totally a misconception. It is possible to learn this language for anyone, no matter where you're from, no matter whether you are from a village or from a urban area, rural area or urban area. It's just a language if you are using the right way. Okay, if you are on the right path to learn this language, you are working on each and every day on the grammatical topics, you are working on your fundamentals, then definitely your journey is going to be easy for you as compared to others who don't put efforts, who always wants to live in their comfortable zone. Okay, having learned this language, doors, so many doors has opened for me. I got opportunity to meet Rajkumar Rao sir, and it was beyond my expectations. I have never ever imagined that I in future, within 2 years, I would get opportunity to meet Rajkumar Rao sir. And I also traveled through plane. So it was all my dream, and my dream has come true. Then why can't yours? Just keep doing it. Being a learner, what we do, our focus is only on the end goal. That first day I started, and on the 7th day I have to master this language, then it's totally impossible. Rome doesn't build in a single day. It takes time. Okay, you have to work on, you have to focus on each and everything. Only then it will be happen. So don't try to be impassionate person. Okay, you have patience. You should have patience. You should have that satisfaction with your work. You have to be content person. Only then everything will going to be easy for you to achieve, to accomplish. Okay, so लाइफ में सब कुछ बहुत आसानी से हो जाता है, बस आपका खुद का फेथ सिस्टम कि मैं ये कर सकता हूँ कि नहीं कर सकता, ये बहुत मायने रखता है. आप दूसरे लोगों को मत सोचो कि दूसरा कोई आपको कहता है कि अरे यार तू नहीं कर रहा सही से, तो उसको ध्यान मत दो. डोंट पे योर अटेंशन टू दैट पर्सन. आपकी इनर वॉइस क्या कह रही है, यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन ओनली दैट. ओके, इफ देयर इज एनीवन हु इज क्रिटिसाइजिंग यू, हु इज लाफिंग एट यू, देन लीव दैट पर्सन्स community. Try to prioritize your time for your learning. You have to dedicate at least 1 hour or 1.5 hours each and every single day to just master this language, and this language is going to help you, there is no doubt. And you know friends, I hope this video will definitely inspire you, and we will meet in a next video. Till then, bye bye.